True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, I'm in Black River, St. Elizabeth, in the town area. I'm gonna give you a tour of the town area. So this is the day before Melissa. Yeah man, the storm before the storm hit Jamaica, if it hit Jamaica. So I'm giving a tour of Black River, show you what I go on. Yeah man, see it? Place kinda look dark. So big up where I watch from. This is the 24th of October. A lot of people coming over to do some shopping. Hope it's not too late. Yeah man, so I go up and going to the supermarket yesterday. Try to see if I can get some bread. Until I say the shelf empty. Empty me people. No bread on the shelf. So big up on yourself anyone I watch from. So I'm up on the one way. So this is a one way. Close to the fish market and the market also. So my Jamaican people, we have need to try to keep safe. Yeah, man, try to keep safe, you know, a lot of water. So I'm heading towards the tax office area, which is on your right. In front of us is the Hendricks Wharf. So I'm gonna make the right turn and show you how I go on to the town area. See if it's a busy day today. People coming out to get them grocery and water. Don't know if my Jamaican people take it very serious, but we all need to take this serious. Take your time and cross, mommy. Take your time and cross. Place can not overcrowded today. It's like 1:44 p.m. Yeah man, so we over the bus park, you know. Big up yourself, Jelly man, big up yourself. Yeah man, boss have some fresh coconut like always. Long time you man in the park, you say, you know. So big up yourself. So now come back out now, my paper. Taking around an in-town supermarket. Showing you what I go around an in-town supermarket and see if there's a lot of crowd around there. Man, so them a clean out them G and there. You see them a work and a clean out the G and them. So we're around the in-town supermarket area. So I'm trying to see if I see the crowd. A lot of people coming out for shopping. Are they waiting until later? So I go on with paper. Oh, just hit a pothole, too hard to hold. So I'm on the, I think this is close to the police station. So I'm gonna make a right turn will take us back onto Market Street. I'm gonna make a left turn. Big up all the St. Elizabeth people then, big up on yourself. So down here, this is the Riverside dock. Yeah man, come around here, can go to the safari. Take a tour and see some what is what crocodile. Man, see a lady and scare them fish. Take your time, mommy, take your time and cross the road. Take it easy. So I'm gonna make a left turn, we'll take you across the bridge. Nobody can cross it, but Fire Reid gonna cross it. Thank you guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.